How to pay for MyFitnessPal Premium. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can simply open up Play Store or App Store, search for this application and download and install it. Once you do that, you simply want to log into your account. Once you have logged in, if you want to go premium and then pay for the premium plan, then in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you have to subscribe to the MyFitnessPal Premium account. For that, you have different ways. As you can see, even on the home screen you have the option of Go Premium. Tap on this option. Once you do, it's going to bring you to this page. Now here you want to select a plan for you. If you do not find the option of Go Premium on your home screen, you can tap on the More option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here the first option you see is Try Premium for free. Tap on this option. Here it says members are up to 65% more likely to reach their goals with premium. It offers barcode scan option, which is going to skip the search and log in faster. It also has custom macro tracking, which is going to find your balance of carbs, protein and fat, and also you're going to receive 0 ads so that you're going to be distraction free. Now, if you want to subscribe for premium, you have two different plans to choose from. The first one is yearly. You also get 67% of discount if you choose this plan. You can see the price right next to the plan itself, or if you only want to try it out, you can select monthly. You can find the charges next to it as well. Now the billing starts at the end of your free trial unless you cancel. Plans renew automatically. If you want to cancel, you can do that via Google Play. Now, if you want to start your 1 month free trial, you want to tap on the option of Start 1 month free trial. Once you tap on this option, you will have to add a payment method to your Google account. Once you add the payment method, you have to follow the on-screen prompts, and then once the payment method has been added, you can continue using the MyFitnessPal Premium free for the trial version for 1 month. After you complete 1 month and you do not cancel the premium, the balance is going to be automatically cut from your payment method. If you do not want to be charged, you can simply cancel it. However, if you want to continue to pay for MyFitnessPal, you simply can continue and your balance is going to be deducted automatically every month or year based on the plan that you have selected. And this is how you can pay for MyFitnessPal Premium. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.